So this is one of the things I look for with options flow. This is a hedge fund or an institutional trader. And we can tell that because of the dollar amount alone. This is $7.44 million. Now, we know that's not a retail trader. This is a 2027 contract, so they're going to be expensive. A lot of the big money trades very deep in the money contracts, so those are generally expensive. This one happens to be right at the money, so this one's expensive because of the time on it. So if we look at the chart, this one is at 110. You can see there's a massive support level down there at 102. So with someone going out to 2027, that tells me that they're prepared for this to move up and down anywhere between now and then. So it can have wild swings, even if it goes all the way down to 102 to test that prior support. These contracts are going to drop quite a bit, but there's plenty of time to recover. This is over 2 years of time. So if you look at the chart there, going back to April, these were down at the underlying at about 65 bucks. And then it ran to 124. That's from April to now. So think about what can happen in a 2-year time frame. So because these have so much time on them, this tells me this is not a trader that's going to be watching a 5-minute chart. They're not going to be watching an hourly chart. This can dip all the way down to 102 and possibly even further to fill that gap. And I would guess that they still wouldn't close out of the trade. Buying this much time on a contract means they're going to hold these contracts. So even through any kind of a downturn, and today it's down 5% just on its own. So between now and 2027, who knows how much further it can drop, but they're definitely betting that it climbs between now and expiration. Now, these don't have to go all the way to expiration. They can definitely profit way before that. Again, the good thing at these is it's trading at 109.75, and this is a 110 strike. So even if it gets a little bit further and just recovers the 5% from today, these contracts should be up a little bit. But holding all the way out to 2027, that is a hedge fund committing $7.44 million into a position. That's not a retail trader. And this is the type of stuff I look for in options flow. Now, we don't know what's going to happen between now and 12/27, but this is the type of stuff I look for, and this is the type of stuff I keep an eye on with options flow, because this is someone who's willing to commit $7.44 million of capital to the options market for a 2+ year time frame. So that tells me they're confident that between now and the next 2 years, this is going to climb. And to me, that's worth putting some money into the trade to follow them and see what their thesis plays out as.